Oh yeah.
There we go. Okay.
And then she left. She had the hypnotizer.
They haven't changed.
It must be,
Cock. Filters, you can see the fuel level rising. The choke, I'm just going to back off like not even a half a centimeter, okay? Because of the weather. So, go over there, good girl. And I'm gonna hit the plunger 7 times for good luck. Yeah, so you have to plunge both of them to prime both carbs, and then just let it sit there for a sec. And we've got power. It's a neutral. You go like that, and hit the starter. Okay, power off. Give it a couple more squirts. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. Hold. And then choke.
Yeah.
Power.
Almost.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let it sit for a sec. Yeah. She's faint. But the colder it is, the better it runs.
Yeah.
Being air cooled. You wouldn't believe the scars on my shins from the hot sun. Getting off of it. It is in first gear.
Okay. So this is the tripod for the machine gun, and this is where the machine gun would mount. It does come with one, but it's not mounted.